For weeks, the cosmic whisper had turned into a clamor. Comet 3I/Atlas, a mysterious visitor from beyond our solar system, was reportedly shattering, crumbling into fragments after its scorching perihelion passage. The celestial stage was set for a dramatic disintegration. Yet, today, the newest data has dramatically rewritten that narrative, flipping the entire story on its head with a profound revelation. We now possess an exquisitely detailed contour map of this enigmatic comet, and its silent testimony paints a starkly different picture. Let us delve into the cosmic details that have redefined our understanding. The NEOAT team, with persistent dedication, has just delivered its most incisive view of 3I/Atlas to date. Fortuitously, the viewing geometry finally aligned, the ambient cosmic noise quieted, and the resulting image quality surged, revealing secrets previously veiled in ambiguity. One can now literally discern intricate structures within the coma, those wisps of gas and dust surrounding the nucleus, structures that remained tantalizingly invisible even a mere few days ago. This alone would have been a fascinating update, hinting at the comet's dynamic inner workings. But the true seismic shift in scientific understanding emanates from what researchers meticulously extracted from that newly acquired image. Using this pristine frame, scientists constructed an unparalleled 40-level contour plot. Imagine it not as a flat photograph, but as a three-dimensional topographic map of light intensity, charting the very landscape of the comet's emission. Each concentric ring on this map delineates how the light intensity subtly shifts and diminishes as one moves outward from the comet's luminous core. And here lies the undisputed evidence, the part that has effectively quieted all the prior speculation. The very heart of the contour plot is impeccably tight, flawlessly concentric, and perfectly circular. This striking, unwavering symmetry is precisely the fingerprint one would expect, indeed demand, from a single, unyielding solid nucleus. Had 3I/Atlas truly fractured, its contour levels would present a chaotic tableau. We would anticipate a stretched, elongated, or even distinctly lopsided core, betraying its broken nature. Multiple brightness peaks, akin to scattered jewels, would likely pepper the plot, each marking a new fragment. The entire luminous structure would wobble, distort, and betray its shattered state. Instead, what we observe is pristine clarity. It is inherently stable. It is beautifully, unmistakably symmetric. This powerful visual data stands as the most compelling evidence, yet that the comet's nucleus remains remarkably intact, a singular, resilient entity. Coincidentally, almost simultaneously with the release of this pivotal contour map, a fresh amateur image emerged from Puerto Rico, adding another compelling layer to this unfolding cosmic saga. While perhaps lacking the clinical precision of scientific instrumentation, this image revealed something profoundly intriguing: a faint, elegant curling within the comet's expansive tail. Such a subtle, graceful twist in the tail is precisely the kind of signature one would anticipate if the nucleus were in a steady rotation, approximately once every 16 hours. A spinning celestial body, as it sheds its volatile material, does not propel dust and gas in a perfectly straight line. Instead, the ejected dust particles bend and curve, influenced by the nucleus's spin and the outward push of solar radiation, sometimes coalescing into these delicate, spiral-like patterns, a celestial ballet in motion. While we must approach this amateur observation with a degree of scientific caution, given the unknown intricacies of its stacking and processing, its implications are powerful. Even with these caveats, it harmonizes seamlessly with the larger, evolving picture, that of a single, resilient nucleus, actively rotating and expelling material in a manner entirely consistent with its observed activity levels. Critically, nothing within this new tail shot even remotely suggests a catastrophic breakup. In fact, it serves to reinforce, rather than contradict, the same profound conclusion. Whatever cosmic machinations 3I/Atlas is undergoing, it is executing them as one unified, unyielding piece. Recall the dramatic pronouncements from just last week. Observers pointing to unusual jets, pronounced asymmetry, and bizarre dust behaviors, interpreting them as harbingers of fragmentation. All those speculative arguments, when confronted by the eloquent simplicity of this contour plot, simply evaporate. The jets and dust patterns might indeed remain enigmatic, hinting at complex physics, but the core, the very essence of the comet, the thing that truly matters, stands inviolate. This is precisely why scientists revere and meticulously scrutinize contour plots. They possess the unique power to expose the invisible architecture, the fundamental structure that mere photographic appearances can often obscure. Drew Doss, in his update, credited the dedicated NEOAT team, and their collective message was elegantly simple. The data is relentlessly improving. Our cosmic view is sharpening with each passing moment, and absolutely nothing in the accumulating evidence suggests a breakup. The unwavering plot unequivocally corroborates this certainty. This finding also aligns perfectly with earlier reports from esteemed researchers like Jewett and Liu, who had previously indicated the comet was still a single body, devoid of any discernible fragmentation signatures. And now, the narrative takes an exhilarating turn, poised on the brink of another monumental revelation. NASA is anticipated to release its own high-resolution images early this week, perhaps even today or tomorrow. The HiRISE instrument, renowned for its almost inconceivable resolution, possesses the capacity to reveal even the most minuscule details. Should there be even a hairline crack, a microscopic flaw, on that resilient nucleus, HiRISE will unveil it. And if the nucleus indeed proves to be as stable and robust as the contour maps suggest, those impending images could be nothing short of historic, charting a new era in our understanding of interstellar objects. Regardless of the specifics they ultimately reveal, this compelling cosmic story is undeniably about to ascend to an entirely new echelon of discovery. So it is. Comet 3I/Atlas, the interstellar wanderer, has definitively proven the widespread predictions wrong. Not fractured, not falling apart, it persists as a single, enigmatic interstellar object, gracefully yet profoundly navigating our solar system, all while exhibiting some of the most peculiar and captivating behaviors we have ever had the privilege to record. The cosmic stage is set, and the universe beckons our continued gaze.